Today's recipe is bossam. We're going to break away from the traditional way of cooking and go modern, quick and easy, but still very delicious stuff. So the ingredients are pork belly, onion, spring onion, and salt and pepper. That's it. Sprinkle generous amount of salt and pepper on the pork on both sides. Chop the onion and spring onions into big chunks so it's easy for us to remove it later. For the best results, get a heavy bottom pan with a cover and heat it up to high. Once the pan is hot, add the pork and on the top, add the onions and spring onions. Cover the pan and reduce the heat to medium-low and let it simmer for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, you can see the juice from the onion and spring onion has helped boil the pork. Onions and spring onions are great ingredients as it helps flavor the meat and also removes any unpleasant smell. Turn the pork around and cook for another 20 minutes. 20 minutes is up. Wow, look at this. Remove all vegetables and cook 10 minutes on each side with the lid removed. I cooked mine a little longer as I wanted some color. It's hot, but slice the pork thinly. Bossam is generally served with lots of different sam vegetables. But today, I'm just gonna have some amazing kimchi. Use parchment paper to prevent the kimchi from staining the chopping board, and it's easy to clean. Cut the top part of the pogi kimchi. 짜잔! Bossam served with kimchi. All you need to do is get a nice long kimchi and add as many pork and just wrap it up. Oh yeah! This is very good. Thank you for watching and see you next time. 안녕!